from Korea. South Korea. I will do the world's food every time. And today we're gonna make kimbap. It is a Korean food. Korea
부부가 맛있는 백미밥을 완성하였습니다. 밥을 잘 저어주세요.
kimchi. This is seaweed and this is a hot bowl of rice. And this is cucumber and carrot and yellow radish. And this is crab cake.
어떤 맛이 나요?
This tastes like crab. And this is ham. And this is mustard,
마요네즈.
mayonnaise. And these are eggs. I don't like eggs. And this is
튜나.
tuna.
So, you like vegetables?
No.
Which is your favorite ingredient?
Ham.
And second?
Second,
Okay.
crab cake. And the next one is,
Do you like kimbap?
yes,
Why you like kimbap?
the rices are sweet.
Rice?
Yes.
Or sweet. And?
And if we eat vegetables and them together, it is yummy.
You don't like vegetables.
But only eating vegetables is not yummy, but when we eat olive with yummy things, it is yummy.
That's cool.
Oh.
Okay, let's make kimbap.
Like cutting with a knife and use fire. I'm first cracking the egg. Oh no. Still gloomy. Mix the egg, mix the egg. Let's make kimbap. First, get one seaweed and it is from the sea. And then get a scoop of rice. Oh no. Put the rice in the middle and spread it up and down and right and left. I'm done spreading. Then put yellow radish in like this, in the middle like this. Then crab cake is in here. And egg will be on top. And ham will be here. You can see, but it is here. And cucumbers here. I don't know where to put carrots. It is the very least top. Make it small. Yum. Can you use knife to cut in? My mom cut it for me now. I will eat it now. Yeah. Yum. This is a good taste.
Yummy?
Yes. We made the gimbap today. Next time, where would we go to another place? Bye bye.